Join me as I dig deep and try to uncover the money secrets that rich people don't want us to know. Today, we're going to talk about something that I think is really fascinating, and that's the concept of money secrets that rich people utilize to maintain and grow their wealth. It's like they have this inner circle of knowledge that they only share with each other, and we're going to try to crack the code and get a peek inside. We've all heard those common myths about wealth, that if you're rich, you must have inherited it, or you must be lazy and not do any real work. But the truth is, most rich people have worked extremely hard to get where they are. They've made sacrifices, they've taken risks, and they've put in the effort to achieve their financial goals. And another thing, it's not just about making a lot of money, it's about how you manage it, how you invest it, and how you grow it over time. And then there's this idea that rich people are just naturally good with money, that they have some sort of magic touch. But the reality is, they've learned how to manage their finances, they've learned how to invest, and they've learned how to build wealth over time. They've developed good financial habits, and they stick to them. They're not perfect, but they're consistent, and that's what makes the difference. I think another misconception is that rich people are just naturally lucky, that they're born into the right family, or they stumble into the right opportunity. But the truth is, most rich people have worked hard to create their own luck. They've taken calculated risks, they've innovated, and they've created opportunities for themselves. One of the most important money secrets that rich people understand is the power of investment. They know how to put their money to work for them, rather than just letting it sit in a savings account. They've learned how to diversify their portfolios, they've learned how to mitigate risk, and they've learned how to grow their wealth over time. And it's not just about stocks and bonds, it's about real estate, it's about businesses, it's about creating multiple streams of income. Another key secret is financial literacy. Rich people understand how to read financial statements, they understand how to budget, and they understand how to manage debt. They're not afraid of numbers, and they're not afraid to ask for help when they need it. They're not financial experts, but they're financially informed, and that makes all the difference. And then there's the importance of networking and mentorship. Rich people understand that they can't do it alone. They need a network of people who can support them, who can guide them, and who can push them to be their best selves. They seek out mentors, they attend conferences, and they surround themselves with people who are smarter and more experienced than they are. But I think the most crucial insight, the money secret that ties everything together, is the mindset of abundance versus scarcity. Rich people understand that there's always more to be had. They understand that there's always another opportunity waiting around the corner. They're not afraid to take risks. They're not afraid to fail, and they're not afraid to give back. They have a mindset of abundance, and that's what sets them apart from the rest. So what's the takeaway from all of this? It's that these money secrets are not just for the wealthy elite. They're for anyone who's willing to put in the effort to learn, to grow, and to adapt. It's about being open to new ideas, it's about being willing to take risks, and it's about having the right mindset. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of money secrets. If you have any secrets of your own that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the financial habits of the rich, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of wealth and prosperity.